Good morning, YouTube. We have a huge maple tree to cut down today for my friend Dave. We'll interview him at the end, but come check out the tree. This is a monster Norway maple, and it has a bunch of branches that have broken off over the years, and it also has some weird mushroom growth going on. It's definitely a hazard tree. These mushrooms actually just fell off the tree the other day, so I'm guessing it's got some rotten spots on the inside. This tree would be quite a challenge if you didn't have a crane. We've got the power line going to the neighbor's house, power line going to Dave's house, a little cable wire. We had to get a sidewalk closure permit this morning so we can set some pieces down on the sidewalk. Come check out the crane setup. I really like using these wood pads on the low side. So it would be hard to get that back outrigger out because the whole crane is kind of tilting this way. So we just put those 4 wood pads down underneath these tires. So pretty simple crane setup. One thing I do like about the knuckle boom for this tree is because we're set up on this kind of a busy street, we can short jack the outriggers on the driver's side. So on the driver's side of the crane, the outriggers aren't out all the way. As long as we're not reaching over that side, we'll have plenty of capacity. Landing zone is going to be about right here in between the front of the truck and this little cherry tree. Hopefully we can have this thing down and cleaned up in just a few hours. The biggest challenge is just going to be all the traffic. And of course, we were hoping that we'd have this street all to ourselves this morning, and we showed up and there's a guy working on the internet across the street. Just our luck. Every time. Either he would be there or it would be trash day, one or the other, but you can never win. So I'm gonna have a little camera on Spencer so we can see the cuts, and hope you enjoy watching us take down this monster Norway maple. This will probably be one of the biggest Norway maples that we've ever done. Zach, what do you think? One of the biggest ones?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Have you taken down a bigger one?
I don't think so.
No.
Definitely.
Yeah, it doesn't have a whole lot of brush, but I think it's deceiving.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a big tree. We better get to work. We've got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, how about you grab just any of this, and I'll swing this other side. Okay, just hold it right there. Love it. Yeah, just a hair lower. Right there. That's a nice one.
Careful on your one wheel. Check out the size of that log. If you need a log truck, call Powfinger from Tiffin, Ohio. They build a pretty sweet rig. So everything went pretty smooth. We got the tree all cut down. Come check out the stump. Pretty good sized tree. And this is Dave. He's the tree owner and a good friend of mine. He actually used to do tree work with us too, so.
I'm the guy known for crashing the drone all the time.
Yeah, this is the guy who used to crash my drone every time we try to take a drone video. Do you miss tree work?
I do a lot. I talk about it at work all the time.
Yep.
Especially this. This is, you guys got something special going on here. It's pretty awesome. Great crew. Equipment's phenomenal.
How do you think Spencer did today?
Spencer killed it. Spencer always kills it.
Yep.
Felipe's phenomenal on the Avant. It's crazy how fast this tree comes down.
Yep.
I used to be part of this, and I still get blown away at how fast you guys remove trees.
Yep.
But thank you very much, man.
Safely.
Yeah, safely.
Well, thanks for letting us cut her down.
Appreciate it, buddy. Thanks for coming out. I
Yeah.
appreciate everything.
It was fun.
Spence, you the man.
I'm guessing that that's going to be a super full load. I'm going to go check it out. Oh yeah, that's a good grip. When I first started doing tree work, I would cut the pieces small enough that I could put them on my shoulder and carry them up a ladder and throw them into the back of the truck by hand. This is way better. I'd much rather do it like this.
All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll continue to make more content like this.
Thanks for watching.
Yee!